Hello guys. I would like to start first of all by talking about US Swiss franc. Now I was telling you guys that I would expect it to come inside here at the target, and which it actually did, but I was like, oh, I didn't want to see it taking the 2024 low, and yeah, I was wrong. So actually I've actually stopped working with this as I'm not really comfortable with working with two safe haven currencies. So last week I told you guys AUD was going to get to this level here, which it actually did, as you guys can see. So let me turn up this. So I told you guys that it was going to get up to here, which it actually has done. For NZD USD, we can see that for NZD USD, I also talked about getting up to somewhere around there, and then we have seen that come to fruition. For GBP and Euro, I wasn't expecting much of a move. It called this area for GBP, called this area for GBP, so you can go check it out. And then here we are. For Euro, I wasn't expecting Euro to make much of a move, but yeah, it did. Here we are, but overall bullish as we were expecting. So for this week, I want to be looking at AUD and NZD. I want to be looking at it. First of all, when we look at China, we understand that China might lower their policy rates to stimulate the economy amid some tariff increments. So I'm really skeptical about AUD and NZD. Now, so my tradables for this week are Euro USD and GBP. Now for Euro, the main focus is on ECB statements on monetary policy becoming less, saying that monetary policy will become less restrictive. So and Lagarde would likely highlight a downside risk to growth. So yeah, that being said, I'll be looking at Euro USD taking this low, so dollar strength taking this low eventually here, or just coming in into this other block here. So but yeah, taking this low more especially, maybe not just this week, but this week and Easter week also. You get because yeah, things are actually going to slow down. I think VIX will actually come down very well. Now for Euro, for GBP, we know that the economy is not really at its best. You know, not really at its best. But yeah, for this, we'll be majorly looking at retail sales. Market will actually be more really focused on retail sales to see what happens. So retail sales actually tell us a lot. It will actually be driving stone of where we'll be heading to for the next couple of weeks or so, or even months, depending on what the case. But for me personally, I'm expecting dollar strength from henceforth. We might see maybe, yeah, we also already have a divergence in GBP and Euro. So we have this, and then the divergence in Euro towards the other side. Yeah, so this, how this. So this divergence. So yeah, US economy is not really worst, so it's somehow so strong. You understand? But the consumer confidence was not really at its best, so that might be a problem. But I'm more interested in dollar strength, more especially when it comes to Euro USD. So if you look at DXY is already at around the 99. I think we actually got to 98. Okay, 99.014. So yeah, entering into this FVG. So I want to see bullish move to clear up this gap here, probably inside of this overall, maybe coming to here, well, yeah, this at least, and then maybe probably even take this high here, so to fill up the remaining part of this gap. Remember I told you guys that for this low to be taken, I wouldn't want this gap to be closed. Now we closed a bit of it, but not completely. So after that, we could see how market just took this low as we are anticipating from last week. So yeah, that's it guys. So I don't know if I'll be doing a follow-up video for Easter, but probably I should. So but let's see how it goes. So have a nice day guys.